you secretly going broke, trying to keep up with everyone? Today we are exposing the real cost of lifestyle inflation and how social pressure, expectations, and taxes are strictly draining your bank account. If you want to learn how to save money without feeling like you are missing out, then this masterclass is for you. Welcome back to Chamarin, where we talk real money, real habits, and real growth. Imagine two trees standing side by side in a storm. One has a beautiful, massive canopy of leaves, but its roots are shallow. The other looks plain, maybe a little ordinary on the surface, but its roots goes deep into the earth. When the winds come, when inflation hits, when emergencies happen, which tree do you think will survive? If you're exhausting your paycheck trying to maintain a flashy canopy so everyone thinks you're doing well, you are planting on a shallow roof. And today we are going to talk about the heavy hidden price of keeping up appearances. Welcome back to Chamarin. On this channel, we talk real money, real habits, and real growth. If you are tired of the money stress and you just want financial peace, you are in the right place. Today, we're having a serious conversation about personal finance, not the spreadsheet, not the maths, but the psychology, the pressure to look rich while quietly going broke. We live in a world that praises the flex. You see people of your age, maybe your friends, your family back home, or your co-workers driving new cars, moving to the upscale neighborhood, buying the expensive clothes. And naturally, you think, I work hard, so I deserve this too. If I don't have these things, people will think I'm failing. But let me tell you a secret. Keeping up with everyone is broke thinking. I've seen someone who was living, I called it a borrowed life, borrowed money to look good. At the end, landed the person nowhere. So let's talk about lifestyle inflation.
The silent financial leak. Small drips become a flood.
How do we fall into the trap called lifestyle inflation? Lifestyle inflation is simple.
Lifestyle inflation is a trap. You earn more but spend more, so you never get wealthier. Harder just to maintain the same lifestyle.
As your income goes up, your expenses goes up exactly at the same time. You get an increase and immediately you upgrade your apartment, you get a bonus, and immediately you upgrade everything that you have been surviving the tax since. You pay those debts, you buy those luxury things. But for many of us, especially in this our community, it's not just about buying a nicer phone. It's the expectation that because you live in a certain city or because you have a certain job title, you are now the financial safety net for extended family, friends, and community. There is an immense pressure to prove to people back home that you have made it. You send money you don't even have. Fund wedding you can't even afford. Buy plane tickets that go straight with your credit card. You do a whole lot of things that is draining you financially just to validate your feelings. To set boundary with adult family members, protect your own retirement and peace. When you prioritize looking wealthy over actually being wealthy, you pay a secret cost, and it's not just the money. The real cost of keeping up appearance is your peace of mind. It's waking up at maybe 3 a.m. wondering how you're going to pay your rent, your bills, because you spent your savings on a lifestyle that you could not afford. When you spend all your energy on impressing people, you completely lose the ability to learn how to save money. You miss out on the magic of what we call frugal living. I want to be clear. Frugal living doesn't mean eating empty food every day or suffering yourself. It means spending money only on the things that brings you true joy, peace, and ruthless cutting down the things you only bought to impress strangers. Because here is the truth. The people you are trying to impress, they are too busy trying to impress you to even care. If you've watched this video this far, drop a comment about how you have lived above your means and tell us how it affects you. Now, let's talk about how we can stop the cycle and build real wealth. How do we break free from lifestyle inflation? How do we stop the cycle and build deep roots and actually master how to make money stick around? Step 1, you have to redefine what wealth looks like to you. Not to your parents, not to your neighbors, but to you. Is wealth a luxury car, or is wealth waking up knowing you have no debts? Number 2, you have to automate your future, yes. Before you even see your salary or paycheck, move a percentage into a simple index fund account or savings account. If you're a beginner in investing, there are so many easy apps that you can use to start investing. You can't even spend it on a spontaneous place. Just make sure you move something aside. Step 3, practice the 24 hours rule for social spending. If you feel pressure to go on an expensive dinner or outfit for an event, wait 24 hours before saying yes or swiping the card. Give your logical brain time to catch up with your emotion. Listen carefully. The ultimate flex is financial peace. The ultimate flex is going to sleep without money stress. Let them have the flashy cars. Let them have the designer's bag. Let them have the wealth, the luxury. If this helps you today, hit the like button and share with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, we are building real wealth and real habits here at Chomarin. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
You don't need to become rich overnight, but small financial habits can slowly transform your future. Lifestyle inflation is a trap. You earn more but spend more, so you never get wealthier. Harder just to maintain the same lifestyle.
Money. Creating the thought you create. It spins and grows. It flows, driving innovation and success.
You don't need to become rich overnight, but small financial habits can slowly transform your future. The silent financial leak. Small drips become a flood. Stop the drain before it grows. Bills waiting. Savings are empty. And somehow the money disappears faster than it comes.